body style Frontier right over here, 2022 model. Show you the outsides of the car. Boulder gray color, Pro-4X, top of the line, fully equipped. And we got actually the older body style Frontier right here next to it too. Show you a cool little comparison. It's barely coming out right now. By the time this video does come out, you see the front row completely redesigned inside and out. New body style, old body style right here. Leather pointed seats in here on the Pro-4X, top of the line. Unfortunately, it's not going to be red stitching on this version. Nice 7-inch display in the front. New Nissan logo. Big infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got your connections, you also got your maps. This is brand new in this car. Your Type-C USB, heated seats, heated steering wheel down here. Dual air condition. 2 cup holders. You also got a wireless charger here. This thing is dope. You also get a moonroof now too in these cars. I'm sure a lot of people are going to be excited about this. Get a quick video of what it feels like to drive this brand new car. Beautiful infotainment system, 9-inch, nice leather pointed seats. This car just came in for a demonstration. This looks crazy. Hopefully you guys enjoy this little teaser on this brand new Pro-4X vehicle for Nissan Frontier. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Please comment, please like, please subscribe if you're interested in checking this out. I'll make a new video on another model that's actually going to get some views and test drives. Let me know if you have any questions. Yes, sir. Let me know if you're also excited for checking out this car.